We are back at our Inspired Escape remodel, and I think you're going to be very surprised with all the progress we have already made. Let's go take a look. We are here in the laundry room, and we did more of a facelift remodel where we kept all the cabinets and we painted them white out of this beautiful brass hardware and new countertop, backsplash, and it made a really big impact in the space. On this side, we added all new cabinetry floor to ceiling because storage was a need for the client, and she really appreciated everything that we added in this corner because it helps out for her new hair salon over here. So in the hair salon, it was definitely a challenge because it's a small space, but we redesigned it a few times to make sure that the function for the client actually is able to work for her day to day. And when she stepped in here and saw it for the first time, she got very emotional. She dreamed about this for a very long time. And so having that moment together with her is what makes me love coming to work every single day. So the pool bath turned out incredible. I want to walk you guys through the design. So one of my favorite features about the pool bath is the stone, and it extends past the glass, and we made the bench to be a heated bench. And when you open up this steam shower, you get a walk-in, and it's curbless, and you have the beautiful linear drain in the back. And then over here is an area that was very challenging in the design because of the angled wall. So I tricked your eye a little bit by adding this floating mirror, and we did a beautiful eucalyptus counter with a really subtle, soft, live edge. I wanted to show you guys the sauna over here, and one of my favorite things is really working closely with the craftspeople that actually build the end product. Remont is so careful about every single detail and very collaborative. Okay, so we're standing here in my client's home office, and I want to show you some of the incredible details. We updated the fireplace, added this beautiful stone floor to ceiling, and now it's much more of a prominent feature in the room. It was really important to the client that he had a few different zones within this space to relax after work. Right here, we added some beautiful leather chairs. They're actually recliners, so he can really kick back after work. So now that everything's done, you can see all the materials come together. The beautiful warm mahogany, the fabric wall covering, and then the humidor is stunning. It is one of a kind. He's definitely very serious about his cigars. There was no window previously, and that's for the Weihs, so we definitely wanted to add one. And out here is another area in which he can relax at the end of the day and just be outdoors with a cigar and kick back and relax. It's been such a joy to walk you through all of the finished rooms within our Inspired Escape remodel. Keep an eye out because as we finish the remodel, some of these rooms are really going to blow you away.